Hyundai, Kia, Isuzu to establish production facilities in Ghana as well. Hello everyone, welcome back to Amstein TV. In today's video, we are going to be looking at the recent development that have taken place in Ghana. We heard and we learned that Hyundai, Kia and Isuzu, which are the famous and the renowned car manufacturing plants across the world, is going to extend its production to Ghana. Not only extend, it's going to mount factories and firms in Ghana. Thanks to my returning subscribers, you guys are all the best, and if you are new to the family, please, you are highly welcome. Please do consider subscribing and turning on your notification bell for more updates. We are going to see the reactions of people across the world and in Africa and also in Ghana. President Nana Akufo-Addo Dankwa has disclosed that Hyundai, Kia and Isuzu have reached advanced stages of establishing commercial production facilities in Ghana. The president disclosed this when on Thursday, 21st March 2022, he commissioned the Nissan assembly plant located in Tema. The opening of the Nissan assembly plant in the country, according to Nana Akufo-Addo, marks yet another important milestone in the quest to make Ghana a new manufacturing hub of Africa, realize the country's vision of becoming a leading player in the automobile industry in Africa. That is a great move by the president of Ghana in the recent development. He expressed delighted that in the automobile sector, Ghana has successfully attracted investment from a number of global iconic brands, including Volkswagen, Toyota, and now Nissan. We will continue to design innovative policies to ensure the sustainability of industry, including developing a vehicle financing scheme. We will continue to design innovative policies to ensure the sustainability of the industry, including developing a vehicle financing scheme aimed at supporting the purchase of locally assembled vehicles, he stated. So that is it. As we heard from the president of Ghana, Nana Akufo-Addo, we are going to see the reactions of people around the world, in Africa and Ghana as well. What do you think about this video, same as other people does? They said, okay, foreign investors. Okay, imagine this. That is just a reactions. Someone says Hyundai, Kia, Isuzu to establish productions in Ghana. This is good, and policies should push for local manufacturers of simple parts for these cars that are being assembled in Ghana with imported parts to bring real meaning producing in Ghana. This one suggests that they should also mount assembly parts of these cars so that it will ease the purchase and use of locally made cars. Someone says, help Katanka. Why not help Katanka to have the capacity to produce for the local market and for export, thereby generating employment and foreign exchange? That is his own points of views concerning this development in Ghana. Someone says, hold on, Katanka is also getting help. Katanka will also be helped. This is a plan to feed the African market with automobiles they will need, including Katanka automobiles. Someone says, very proud. Great news. We should all be proud to get such investment in the West. Addo is doing marvelously well. May God continue to guide him and empower him to do more. That is his own thought concerning this development. Someone said, set them up in different regions. Who knows if they are being set in one region, as this person is saying. Spread the automobile industries all over Ghana. Set them up in other regions. Hyundai, Kia, Isuzu to establish production. Yes, local manufacturing of automotive parts and accessories will drive the possible establishment of manufacturing plants. Okay. Someone says, good job, Nana Addo. We need more of these facilities. This means more jobs will be created. Katanka has been given a lot of time to grow. If he refuses to expand his company, it's not the government fault. This world is all about competition. I learned Katanka has been given 10 years tax-free. He should use it to expand his company. I think the government has done his part. The only thing needed is for the government to use his cars for government workers, especially ministers, police, and military. So thanks so much for watching. If you find the video interesting, please do consider sharing, subscribing, and liking the video as well. Till next video, please don't forget to share your own points of views in the comment section. Stay blessed. Love you all.